Alright, it's Peter Alex here. So today I'm just going to be showing you how you can run profitable Facebook ad. Okay, so if you are using a laptop, a computer, or a phone, using a laptop is quite more easier to solve, based on the interface. And then if you're using a phone, you have to ensure that while using a Chrome browser, you have to switch to the desktop view. Okay, so before we run ads, you have to ensure that you actually have your business page set up already. Very important. Alright, so in order to get started, we log on to web.facebook.com, web.facebook/ads/manager. Okay, so I already have mine, so I'll just click on this and then click on that, and it takes us to the ad manager. So it's asking me to go to ads manager. Okay, since I have mine, so I'll be going to the ads manager. And the thing is this: once you have a Facebook page, you actually have an ads manager, a business ad manager. Okay, so that's how it works. So click on my name, take me to my business page. Okay, so it's loading up. Alright, here we are. Alright, so first off, before I start showing you how to run ads, you have to understand that your creatives matter. Okay, you know how to run proper ads, you have to ensure that your creative matters. Now Facebook works with data of people on Facebook, right? So now Facebook shows your ad based on your objective, based on your campaign objective, to people that are likely to take action. Now Facebook will not put a gun to their head and say take action. No, Mark Zuckerberg will not do that. So it is your sales copy, your how convincing your creatives are. That's how and why people are going to take action, based on your call to action for that particular ad. Alright, presently this is actually my ad. I've been running this ad since last year. Okay, since last year October. Then Facebook lowest daily budget was 386.04 naira, but presently it's 500 naira at least. So these are my recent ads. These particular ones, they are saying 500. They are recent ads, even this one too. So but this particular ad I've been running, let me show you something. I've been running this particular ad since October last year. The traffic objective, okay, so and then it has reached 38,000 people. Sometimes I turn it off though. Yeah, so it has reached 38,000 people, and the impression is 50,248. Okay, now what does reach means? People that have actually seen the ad. Impressions, how many times it appeared to these people. Okay, so that's the meaning of the impressions. Now cost per result simply means if people should click on my ad, it's a traffic objective, so if you should click on it, Facebook charges me 6.32 naira for that. Okay, 6.32 naira for that. Okay, so and amount spent, I've spent more than this on this particular ad. This is quite not correct. I've spent more than this on this particular ad. Alright, so and then so let's go back. Now how do you create an ad, a profitable ad? Let's get to that. So we click on create. It's loading up. Alright, so now we have 3 stages of campaign objectives. We have 3 of them: the awareness, the consideration, and the conversion. Okay, you must have seen me or read on one of my posts where I talked about the awareness, the consideration, and the conversion stages. Okay, so the awareness is actually a typical pattern of marketing. Okay, the awareness stage is actually kind of objective, whereby your ad, you just show your ads to people, you just show yourself to people, show your package, or you just show your brand to people. You're not asking them to take any action. Okay, so this particular stage of objective is actually interwoven with this engagement objective. Okay, brand awareness and reach. You just want people to see your product or see your brand. You just want people to be aware of your brand name or your brand presence. Okay, so this is what the awareness is for. Then the consideration stage, we have the traffic, the engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages. I'll explain. Now for the messages, if you click on this and then you run an ad for messages, is that you're going to be actually directing people to your messenger or your inbox on Facebook. You know, when they see your ad, what they see is send message. Okay, so if you click on it, that will be your call to action. Send message, that's to your inbox. So that means, of course, you have to always be in your inbox to always receive messages and reply messages. That's the meaning. All right, then the lead generation. This works for people who are into email marketing. For example, like the real estates, the realtors. If you want to actually get people to buy from you, you have to make use of the lead generation. You have to actually groom your audience. Okay, convert them from the cold audience to the warm audience, then to the hot, by generating leads. You know, sending traffic to your that's by building your email list. Okay, so this is what the lead generation is all about. And the video views, of course, you should be aware of this. These comedians and skit makers make use of this a lot, you know. So to get video views, which you like, and you know, to just view your videos. You see people saying, I got millions of views, thousands of views. Most of them made use of video views. Okay, and the app installed. Probably you're trying to promote an app or reach people to actually download a particular new app and all of that. Then the engagement, of course, likes and comments. This is what you need on that particular ad. Likes and comments, which you just like and comment on that particular ad. So that's what the engagement is all about. Now the traffic, I like this one very much because I use one a lot. So this particular one, you're actually sending people to a particular website. That's traffic. That's the call to action. You're sending them to that website. Let's come and see what I have on this website for you. That's traffic. Okay, come and see it. Then when they see it, it is left for them to take action. Now, the only way this can be profitable is if your sales page or your sales copy is excellent, convincing enough. You know, recently I talked about an ad I saw by Sabri Subi. Okay, talking about a Godfather offer. Now, it is important that once you're running an ad, ensure that your offer, if it's an ad for a business for sales, ensure that your offer is convincing enough. Ensure that your offer is actually excellent enough. Okay, so yeah, that's about the traffic. Then for the conversion stage, you should be familiar with this because e-commerce people use this a lot. You know, like Jumia, Konga, all of that. Conversion ads. You know, this is shop to cart. Okay, you click on it and then it takes you to your website and then you shop. You know, then shop to cart. Then you then it takes you to the what's it called, payment page, and then you pay and it tells you thank you and all of that. So that is the conversion ad. That's what the conversion ad actually works for. So Facebook charges per purchase for this kind of ad, but this kind of traffic, Facebook doesn't charge per purchase. It has nothing to do with purchasing. Okay, so Facebook charges here per link click, but for here charges per purchase. So that's the difference. And you know, it has been said that conversion stage is actually more profitable than traffic. Well, I don't know. Everybody's got their different results, but I enjoy using my traffic anyways because I'm not into e-commerce, you know. All right, so scroll down. Then traffic, continue. Now it is important that, let this load up. It is important that as you're running your ad, ensure you have in mind your type of audience, the kind of people you want to target. It's very important. You have to know that, okay, yes, since, okay, let's say for example you want to run an ad for cake. Okay, you want to sell cake to people. It's important that you have it in mind. Okay, what people that like cake? Everybody likes cake. Okay, and also you have to understand that there are some age groups that doesn't need to eat cake. They might like it, but they can't take it. Okay, so you have to understand your age range, the people you're targeting. All right. So let's give our campaign a name. For example, yeah, of course, cake ads. Okay, for example, cake ad. Let's go cake ad. All right, so and then we scroll down. This doesn't concern us. Okay, this is for special ad categories, so we don't want to have any talk with Mark Zuckerberg at the moment. So we'll just go down. Now, campaign budget optimization, very important. Turn it on. Okay, so after turning it on, it will show you to optimize the amount. Now, Facebook daily limits is at least 500 naira. So let's go with 500 naira, for example. Some people go with 10,000 naira, 20. I've seen somebody with 200,000 naira daily. So it's amazing. So it's based on what you're promoting. It's based on what you're trying to sell or your reason for running that ad. Okay, so 500 naira, for example, and then click on next. All right, so here we are. Now watch this. Choose where you want to drive traffic. Now if you have a website, you choose a website. Okay, you have a website or a landing page. Okay, you choose it, website. If you want to run to WhatsApp, go ahead and click on WhatsApp. Okay, but ensure that on your page you already connected your page to your WhatsApp. Very important. If you're going with this, then if you're going to Messenger, fine. All right, so that's just it. Then scroll down. Let's go to our website, because I make use of a website, and scroll down. Now if you want your ad to run for, let's say, it's always advisable to let your ad run for 4 days in order to see a better result for at least 4 days. So let's say your ad, you probably want to run the ad for just 1 month. You can actually set your date, set an end date. Okay, but if you want to run it continuously, you just leave this place unmarked. Okay, but it is still fine. You will leave, even if you want to run your ads for just 2 days, and then you don't click this. Once after the second day, you can just go and turn off your ad. As simple as that. So you don't have to go through all this stress. Or what if you started enjoying the ad is giving you people, and then it's almost ending? What will you do? You can't actually, because if once your ad ends, that once you set the end date and it ends and it's actually generating people for you and you're liking it, in order to run that kind of ad again, if you refresh that ad, you will lose the metrics. One, the performance metrics, you will lose it. All the engagement on the ad, you will lose it. So it will now look like a fresh ad. Do you understand? So in order to avoid all of that, don't set an end date. All right, that's that about that. So now observe this: 32 million people, right? Now let's scroll down and set our audience. Since we're running an ad for cakes and then want to reach people who might likely want to buy cake. Okay, so now we're targeting those in Nigeria, right? Then the age group, of course, from 18. Okay, they'll probably have the purchasing power for your product or your service. Then of course, you know, people, there are some age people that want to have cake, and there are some that may just sit and want to buy for their for a friend, a relative, a spouse, or somebody. So, and also an idea is this: the closer the age range, the less you spend on ad per day. Yes, that's the secret. The closer the age range, the less you spend on ad daily. Okay, so let's look at this. This is 32 million people now, and the age is 18 to 65 plus. Let's reduce this to 45, age 45. Now watch this. Watch. It becomes 27 million people. It has dropped, okay, by some certain amount of numbers. Okay, so now the gender, of course, we're targeting all genders, right? So, and then we want to set our demographics based on behavior and all of that. So now all demographics, interest, and behavior. So we have to set it. All right, now since we want to target people that might like cake and love that, let's go for a suggestion, or let's go for browse. Now you can also target people who are having their upcoming birthdays. Okay, you can target people who are having their upcoming birthdays, so that should be under interest, or let's check behaviors. Okay, anniversary. Under anniversary we have okay, people who celebrate anniversaries make use of cake, right? Okay, so we can actually scroll down and check for more. Let's check interest and scroll down. Food and drinks. Let's check this out. No. Okay, you can target people under, let's check based on demographics. Okay, life events. Yeah, life events. Okay, so we have anniversary and the birthdays. Okay, so the birthday. Now upcoming birthday. Now this is under actually under demographics. Let's go back so you understand. Demographics, right? Life events. Okay, then scroll down to birthdays. Now upcoming birthdays. Okay, now if you click on this, you'll be targeting people having upcoming birthdays this month. Okay, birthday month. Let's say you target those in, we're in March now, right? Those in March. You click March, you'll be targeting 170,000 people. Now if you observe, it has reduced to 1.6 million people. So since you want to sell cake, isn't it, target those having birthdays in March. But if you feel that okay, you want this ad to run for so long, not to target only those in March, then you can just instead of having just one particular month, you can just click on upcoming birthday. Okay, so you can just target those in March, then upcoming birthdays. You understand? So, or you target only upcoming birthdays. Now it's advisable you don't congest your ad targeting, because if you congest it, you're actually going to be confusing the ad. Okay, thereby you're going to make the ad work more, in order to be profitable for you, and with that you'll be spending more and getting less. So by the time but if your ad is specific, you have a particular audience in mind, then great. So upcoming birthday, we have 550,000 people. Okay, so why not enlarge it a bit? Now, so how do we do that? Since you want to target only upcoming birthdays, good. Now look at this: reach people beyond your detailed targeting selections when it's likely to improve performance. Excellent. This is magic. You click on it. Now watch. Target how many? 27 million people. Are you seeing it? Now you're telling your ad to actually show my ad to these people. Upcoming birthdays, show my ad to these people. Very important. And after showing my ad to these people, and it doesn't seem like they're actually interested, reach more people for me that having upcoming birthdays outside these demographics. Are you getting it? So that's why it's important you mark this. Now up next, we scroll down. You might decide to save the audience. Okay, to save it, you might decide to save it for future purpose. All right, you leave it on automatic placements. Okay, it's recommended, but for me I use manual placement because I'm good with ads. So I use manual placement and I select what I want. Okay, since I'm not running an Instagram ad, I don't want it to go to Instagram, I don't want it to go to Messenger, so I don't spend much. I remove Messenger, I remove Instagram. Okay, So and I leave Facebook and audience network like that. Okay, so I make it a manual placement. So but if you feel like Facebook said recommended, use automatic placement to maximize your budget and help show your ads to more people. So you can use this, but for me I prefer the manual placement. So let's just go with automatic placement, and then we scroll down and we'll press next. Alright, now I already connected my Instagram page to my business manager. So if I want to connect it, if I want this particular ad now to show on my Instagram page, I'll just click on this, as you can see. So if I should run this ad, it's going to show on my Facebook and Instagram account, but I don't want it to show on Instagram, so I remove it. I already clicked anyways. So we scroll down. Now there are 3 ways of running your ad. Okay, you have the single image or video, you have the carousel. Now the carousel ad is more like a slide, but it's not a slide, okay, whereby you have more than one picture, okay, more than one picture on that particular ad, whereby you just scroll through and then you see pictures, okay, just like Jumia does it a lot, okay, you know, showing pictures of images of different clothing, accessories and all of that. So Jumia does that a lot, the carousel ad. So just for you to figure out the particular pattern that works for your type of brand. But for cake, of course, you need the carousel ad. Okay, if you're running an ad for a product like cake or something, or clothing or accessories like that, you need the carousel. Also, you also need the video. Okay, the video kind of ad. Okay, so the single image ad might not work properly since it's a cake ad we are actually practicing on. So you scroll down, let's say you're going with carousel, okay, click on it, and then of course you're gonna have different slides to actually impute your pictures, your images, your already images. Okay, so you click here, then you click here, select the image you want to impute. Okay, so it will take you to the images on your account. Okay, these are the images on my account. Okay, so or if you want to upload from your Instagram page, you want to upload from your account, from your device, sorry. So if it's from your laptop, it's from your phone, you click on the video, you click on the picture that you have ready. Okay, so and then you click on it, and then there you go, you put your headline. Now the ad copy, the ad sales I was talking about, the sales copy, sorry, I was talking about. Now it's always important that your headline is catchy, because lots of people, based on the audience inside too, lots of people operate. Now I want you to watch this, please, this particular place. Lots of people operate Facebook with their mobile phones, right? So if, for example, I want to sell cake to people and I write come and buy cake from me, very affordable, very affordable. Now watch this. Now this is the headline. Let's scroll down and show you something. Come and buy cake. See where it's showing. Okay, now then for the description, where you write all the things people need to know about your ad and why they should click on it. Let's say you write we have good cakes for sale. Good cakes for sale. Okay, see the carousel ad. Okay, so this particular description will be for this, for one particular slide. Then once you put another slide, you have okay. So once you put another slide, write in a short headline. Okay, this is for the second slide, and then you have first, let's say for example, delicious cakes. Now if you observe, it's on this other slide, delicious cakes on this other slide. Okay, so that's how it is. It's just different pictures, you scroll different pictures like that. And then for the description, it's very important that your description is catchy, really catchy, because lots of people view go to Facebook using their mobile phone. So it's very important that your description is really catchy, okay, in order to get people to buy or do whatever you want them to do on your ad. So it's very important to do that. Okay, I'm trying to find where you can actually type in the necessary okay, so full screen add an instant. I don't use carousel a lot. I make use of the single image ad a lot. So but let's try the single image ad, okay, to explain better. So let's do the single image ad or video. Okay, good. All right, so we scroll down and then we add, let's say if it's a video, click on create video. You can actually, there's a tool on Facebook Manager, Business Manager, you can actually use to create a simple video. Okay, then you create, if you want to create a slide, fine, but if you have a slide or a video already in your device, you can just click here, add video or add image from your device. Okay, then the primary text, let's say of course cakes, right? Come and buy cake. Now I want you to observe this, please. Come and buy cake. Come and buy cake. This will be one of your best cake deals. And I am certain you will like it. Now, so I'm trying to show you. Can you observe this? This is showing you from a mobile view right now. Mobile view. Now, come and buy cake. This will be one of your. This will be one of your best cake deal. Now this will be one of your best cake, then it says Seymour, right? Good. The question now is this: if people are scrolling through their feed and they come across this, come and buy cake, this will be one of your best cake, will it actually prompt them to click on Seymour to read what you actually have to say? That's why the headline, the primary text, must be catchy. Also the headline, is it going to be catchy? Are you going to be saying or using vague words, or instead of using vague words, why not use words that are going to be really catchy? You know, this is where your copywriting comes in. This is where your convincing power comes in. All right, so this is not part of the training. All right, so you just attend your copywriting class. All right, and so you scroll down, and then after putting all of your information, all of that, so it's important that if you're running your ad to a website, you ensure that your pixel is fixed up. Very important. Okay, you ensure that your pixel is fixed. All right, so I'm going to be showing you in the next video how to fix your pixel. Okay, very simple and straightforward. All right, the URL, in case you don't have a website and then you're running it to your WhatsApp. For those using business WhatsApp like me, there's a link. It goes like https :// and then y.me/ your phone number. Okay, so if you can impute that, or if you must have connected your WhatsApp to your business page on Facebook, then it's going to show here, or you just copy it and just paste it here, the link. So this will be the link that people will actually see on your ad, like this particular one right now. You can see ptechconsult.share.page. It's here right now. So if they click on learn more, it takes them to this website. Alright, so if you put your own URL here to show here, then when they click on, if you're using learn more as your call to action, if you're using buy, if you're using download, whatever call to action you're using, but it should actually match with what you're actually trying to advertise to people. Okay, so if you click on it, it takes them to your landing page. I call it landing page. Okay, alright, so we scroll down, and then yeah, your call to action. This is where you click for your call to action. If it's shop now, sign up, subscribe, watch more, send WhatsApp message, learn more, apply, and all of that. So, and then we scroll down, then the tracking, yeah, the pixel. Okay, my pixel is set up already, so because I'm running my ads to a website. Okay, so, and that's it, as simple as that. Ensure that your audience targeting is right. That's the most important thing. Once you're targeting the right audience, you're good to go. You're good to go. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix up your pixel and how to make good use of the audience insight tool, the importance of the audience insight tool, how it can actually help you target your audience properly. Okay, alright, so that's it. And the next is click on publish. I'm not going to click on this because I'm not running this ad. Okay, so you click on publish. So I'll do a recap. Ensure your creatives are correct, they are intact. Ensure your copywriting skill is excellent. Facebook is only going to show your ad to people, okay, based on data and based on your targeting. It is left for you, it is left for that you're already running ad to convince people. And how is that going to work? It's starting from you. Before clicking on the publish button, how convincing is your sales copy? That's one thing you should check. You know, so if your sales copy won't convince people, then your ad won't sell. Yes, you target right, but you might sell but not make good money for yourself. Okay, so, or you might not make the expected money. Alright, so it's very important that your sales copy is excellent and good to go. Alright, so that's it. You click on publish and it takes 10 to 15 minutes for Facebook to actually approve your ad. Alright, so that's that about that, and I will see you in the next video.